Cell cycle. Today I'm going to talk about the cell cycle and how it works. The majority of cells go through a process of growth and division called the cell cycle, which is composed by interphase or growth, mitosis or nuclear division, and cytokinesis or cytoplasmic division. Interphase is formed by the three phases G1, S, and G2. So, mainly, these are the phases that compose the interphase. So now, I'm going to explain the G1 phase. It begins with a chemical signal that prepares the reproduction that the cells grows larger and larger. After the G1 phase, it comes the S phase. The S phase is when the DNA duplicates producing the two copies of each chromosome. Now I'm going to explain the last part of the interphase, is the G2. In this phase, the enzymes check the DNA for mistakes and reparation. DNA is repaired when is necessary. We already have the interphase and its phases, and as you see in the cell cycle diagram, the interphase is the phase that occupies most of the time of the cell cycle, but we are missing something really important. What is it? A step that is really important in the cell cycle. I'm going to explain it now. Well, this last stage that we are missing is mitosis. Mitosis begins when a nuclear membrane dissolves and the DNA thickness. It presents four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. During the prophase, the chromosomes become visible, shorter, and thicker. Each identical copy of the single chromosome is called a sister chromatide. The special fiber called spindle fibers from each end of the cell and grows toward the DNA chromosomes. After the prophase, we have the metaphase. During the metaphase, the chromosomes lines up doing from the north pole to the south pole of the cell. The spindle fibers attach to the centromes on the chromosomes and pull them in the middle of the cell. Well, now we have anaphase after the metaphase. Anaphase occurs when the sister chromatides of big chromosomes begin to separate and go to the opposite side of the cell. Now, we're in the telophase that occurs after the anaphase. Telophase occurs when two groups of chromosomes reach the opposite side of the cell. Then, two new nuclei forms and the cell divides into two, disappearing the spindle fiber. The result of mitosis is the formation of two identical cells. Finally occurs the cytokinesis with the formation of two genetically identical daughter cells. So right now I just explained the mitosis and its phases. And by now we already have all the complete cell cycle, which are the interphase that is composed by the G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, and the last phase that I explained, that is mitosis. Thanks for watching.